Hello everyone. Today we will install a free theme in our Shopify store. First of all, open your Shopify admin page and on the left side you will see this online store. Click on online store and this will open your themes page. Here you can see your currently installed theme which is refresh theme, and if we want to install a free theme we have to go down. Here we will see a section called popular free themes. In this section we will see many free themes. We can use any themes from here. For now I will install this theme. I will click on add button and you can see my theme is installing. This will take about a minute or two. Here our theme is installed. Now if we want to publish our theme we have to click on publish button. Again click on publish button. Here our theme is published. If we want to preview our theme we have to click here this button, view your store. We have to click it and our theme is live. This way we can use any free themes from these free themes, and we can develop and edit our theme from here. We can customize our theme from here. We will know about these features in our next video. Feel free to contact with me for any website related work. My contact information will be in the description. Thank you.